I am Sophia. I am the creator of a little fashion fix-it product called Cinch It. And this is the packaging. It might be turned around the wrong way, but and I just love sharing tips. You know, my whole thing was, it's like after I had lost some weight, I was still wearing really big clothes, and I found that if my clothes fit better, I looked better, I felt better about myself and more confident. So I invented this little product called Cinch It. This is the size, about the size of a quarter, and it's just this little round rubber disc, and it is just rubber that has a hole in the center, and you can see how that works. Okay, and so you can pull the fabric through. I have the original one, and then there's the big one. So I'm going to use the black since I'm wearing the black. One thing I found about when you wear a t-shirt and it is just kind of hanging and it's straight across, it's literally cutting my body in half. And what happens is anybody who's looking at me would just, their eyes are going to be drawn right here to my hips, because that's where it's cut in half, right? And that's not always such a good thing. You know, maybe some people might want to have attention drawn to their hips, but most women, especially around my age, are not interested in that. So that's the reason why the trend is to tie a knot in your t-shirt or tuck it, or, you know, do all kinds of different things to add this optical illusion of the angle, because it's more slimming and it's more flattering. But I'm not a big knot tire. I never was. I think not everything looks good with a knot in it. And it's not always easy to tie a knot. Like this t-shirt really doesn't have enough fabric to tie a knot. I don't really want to tuck it because this waist is a little bit higher than I would want to tuck. So this t-shirt is perfect to cinch it. And I'm just going to show you real quick how to do that. So this is the original Cinch It, and I'm really just going to go on the side where I would maybe try to tie a knot. So I'm basically, and I know this is black, it's kind of hard to see, I'll get close to the camera, but I put the Cinch It on the inside, and see how I'm poking the fabric through? I'm just going to pull it. And I'm going to pull a lot of fabric through. So see how I'm doing that? I'm pulling a lot of fabric through on the inside. And the thing is, you want to pull it from all around and pull extra through, because what's going to happen is I'm going to be able to pull a little bit out. So it lays nice and flat. And now it looks cute. Let's go this string there. Okay. It has a cute little ruching design. And I have that angle, and it looks cute. I mean, now I have a little more style. It lays nicely. I've got that angle that is, like I said, that optical illusion, which actually makes you look younger, yes, and thinner and more stylish. So that's just my tip for today. So go to the Cinch It. You can see the different ways that you can purchase Cinch It. And I hope that you'll come back next time.